First day when you arrive, for me especially, it was a load of emotions. I was feeling excited.
Coming up the motorway and arriving in Leicester and looking through the window and thinking this was going to be my home for the next 3 years.
It was actually really quite scary, knowing that your parents were going to be leaving you and that you're about to start this huge journey. Luckily, when I got actually to my flat, the 4 girls that I was living with were actually already there. We were already kind of a little family already.
The best things about coming to Leicester to study is just how friendly everyone is, and there's just so many different kinds of people to talk to and so many faces, and it's just been really nice to get to know everyone.
Coming to study at Leicester, I think it's mainly the independence that I've got. Mum finds it really hard to get me home because I just love being so independent, I love being free, I love having the social side, I love having my own control over education.
So you have lectures, and then we have seminars which would have 20 people, sometimes even 10. So that way you can ask the questions that you would maybe not want to ask in front of 400 people.
The main thing I like about my lecturers, I think as a whole, is the fact that they're really down to earth. And if you want to say something, they're always encouraging you to put your hand up. They want a different opinion.
With your personal tutor, you meet on a regular basis, and we actually get assigned tasks. These are kind of career building, such as assessment centres, as well as report writing and actually learning how to scientifically write.
So lecturers don't just teach in lectures and seminars and things like that. They also do their own research.
They actually kind of entwine it within their modules. So what's really nice is that a module that I'm taking this year, the pre-reading, is actually a book that they've written themselves, which is really great because not only have they done this research, you're actually being taught it.
The University of Leicester's campus is a really close-knit campus, so it's really easy to get from one lecturer to another. And every single day you're always likely to see someone that you know, which is really good.
I like that Victoria Park was sort of a part of it. I love green and nature.
I remember thinking, wow, this is my library, it looks really cool.
The library's 5 stories of anything a student doing research in their subject needs. It's got millions of books. There's even online books that you can have a look at from the comfort of your own bed if you need.
There's group study rooms, so you can book those if you have a group project.
So it's always thriving, full of life, really. It's a good place to go to study.
So university actually owns 2 different gyms. It's firstly got the Danielle Brown, which is on campus, and then there's also another one within the student village. Along with the gym, there's lots of different sports pitches, football, astroturfs, running tracks, the lot.
You've also got your Students' Union at the heart of the campus, the Percy G building. In there you've got various shops and places to just generally chill out as well.
The Market Square is a great new facility for students. So not only do we get to buy the normal sandwiches and salads, there's also kind of bagels and bubble tea, curries and pasties, all sorts. There's such a variety.
2 nights a week we have the Student Union, which is also an O2 academy, so you can go and see some absolutely amazing acts. We have Catfish and Bottlemen, the Kooks, DJ Zane Lowe. That was just a selection of them.
So university life is a lot more than just your academic work. You can really get involved and try new things.
There's always something for everyone because we have so many societies.
And even if there isn't one already, you can set up your own society and then you can start your own thing for everyone else to enjoy, which is really good.
I am part of the Radio Society, which I had no experience beforehand, and that's one of the things I loved about the societies is you can have no idea about it and you can get involved.
So skills that you might gain outside of your degree will definitely help you become a more well-rounded individual and help you with your appeal for graduate employment.
Well, the majority of students in their first years go to live in the student village in Oadby, which is a little walk out from campus, but it's nice to have that distance between your studies and then being able to come home at 5 o'clock. And when you wake up in the morning, you're not going to have your lecturer walk past your window.
In the Oadby Student Village, you've got the Village Hub, which has its own pub. You've got pool tournaments, karaoke nights, things like that, all to just encourage you to have a good time and interact with the people that live in halls.
Maybe if people are quite used to living within the city, maybe they should also consider the city options.
So the City of Leicester really appealed to me in that it's not too small, so you won't get bored there, and it's not too big and then you won't get lost.
The city is so diverse. There's so many different festivals that go on throughout the year. We just finished Diwali, and there's the Eid festivals, and there's the German Christmas market that's going to happen soon, so that's quite exciting.
It has shopping, it has food places. Leicester itself is really known for its curries. I think that's one of the things I've really got involved with, is trying out all the new different food places.
And there you've also got the lanes, which is dedicated to independent shops.
There's something for everybody. You cannot explore Leicester enough.
When you come to university, it's the cliche of finding who you are, and I think one of the best things about University of Leicester is that they support you through everything. You just feel like you're wanted there.
Before I came to university, I didn't even know how to cook roast dinner. I won't lie, I can't compare to my mum's at the moment, but I'd give her a run for her money.
I've lived in South Africa, I've lived in Canada, but it's all been different to being a student.
My time at Leicester has been the most amazing 4 years of my life, easily. I've really flourished into a person.
So I've managed to make friends who I feel I'm going to be connected with forever.
And now being a third year, I'm going to do another degree just so I can stay at University of Leicester.
When I actually came to Leicester, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I just knew what I enjoyed studying. But now I feel like as though I'm a really career-focused, dedicated, motivated person, and I can't actually wait to get into industry now and show them just exactly what I've got.